Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get Elphaba's Broom or Glinda's Bubble in Dress to Impress's Wicked update. So as you can see, there is like this trophy thing, and then if you select the Wicked tab, it says collect 85 magic essence during Defying Gravity or pop 160 bubbles during Bubble Galore. I think right now it's going to show the Defying Gravity one. Basically, in game, you're just going to see that there's a bunch of magic essence or bubbles which you need to go to and get or either pop. Here, let me show you. Oh my gosh, we're kind of flying too. One Dress to Impress's Bubble Galore award. Huh? Okay. We're just going to kind of go through it like this. And we're just going to grab the kind of like green is what we need. We don't need anything else. So just the green, and that's the magic essence. We do need 85, so I think you do need to play this a lot to get it. Oh my gosh, can't believe like we're floating as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you have 85, I think you'll get the broom. You'll get Elphaba's Broom, I think. And if you pop the bubbles, you'll get the bubbles. Duh. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.